Hi, I'm Bobby Lanyon, CEO and Chief Servant of AIG Safety, and today we are talking about the PerimeterSAFE Zone Light. The PerimeterSAFE Zone Light is one of the most simple safety solutions available on the market today. It is an LED light with a fancy lens on the front of it that focuses the lens down into a beam of light around the piece of equipment. The PerimeterSAFE Zone Light is not a laser. It is LEDs with a lens that focuses the light into a beam around the heavy equipment. Because when you think about it, everything that we do in road construction, road paving, and quarrying is on the ground. Everyone's eyes are focused on the ground, and sometimes the beacons that are on top of the equipment and the lights that are on top of the equipment, they're above the purview of the eyes. When that piece of equipment rolls into the person's view, they actually get a warning that that equipment is coming close, and can actually pre-alert the person working in that environment that there is a danger close by, potentially keeping them from a struck-by incident, which is highly common in the road construction and heavy equipment industry. The PerimeterSAFE Zone Light has a cast aluminum housing with adjustable arms so that it can mount in any fashion that you need it on your heavy equipment. Here's the great thing about the AIG Safety brands of products. We make it as simple as possible so that you can maximize safety without compromising productivity in the field and in the shop. So if you need this to be all the way out, it's just a simple adjustment of the adjustable arms, and you can lock it in and it will stay there. We have seen these installed on trailers and service vehicles going up and down the highway, and they stay in place. We have seen these on excavators and much more mobile equipment, and they are very reliable, and it's such a cost-effective solution to avoid incidents and needless accidents in your workplace environment. You can get your PerimeterSAFE Zone Light system, whether it's a single unit, whether it's the 4.5 or the 3.8 smaller system, or even in a semicircle. We call that the arc light, and you can get that through the AME and the AIG Safety Dealer Network. You can visit ameintl.net for your closest dealer and service provider.